Hey guys, welcome to a video on the Enzo channel for the first time in a long time. So I'm going on a camping trip. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun experience. I'm gonna try to record the whole thing. Maybe make it into multiple videos, but if I don't, then it'll be like just like one big video. So yeah, hopefully this will be fun. Okay guys, so it's technically day 2 of us being here because we came here on Thursday and it's now Friday. Oh, okay. Oh no, don't get your head stuck. Oh.
How you doing?
That looks yummy.
You're a little crazy though.
Ooh, this one's really pretty. McGorky. Hello. You're very fluffy. What's up guys? It is currently Saturday, technically day 3 of us being here. I'm editing a Lethal Company video, waiting for food to be cooked. I'm wearing a giant jacket because it's super cold here, and copyrighted music playing, so I'm probably gonna have to like cut parts out where I'm not talking. So far this trip has been pretty good. No complaints so far. Been pretty cold. Other than that, it's been pretty good. Supposedly we're gonna be going on a hike later after we eat breakfast, so that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna hopefully get some footage of that, and we'll be on our way. When the YouTuber touches grass for once. This is where I sleep. The table folds up into a little bed, and then there's blankets up there. My mom likes country music. I forgot to charge my phone last night, so it's at 59%. This is using a fast charger with off center. That actually kind of looks kind of scary, but oh well. Good morning. Roxy!
She's busy.
She's like, I'm gonna do my own thing.
Smelling all the things.
Oh man, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ooh.
He made it.
He did it. Everyone else is asleep right now. I decided I was gonna go out and explore the park. I should go across the bridge. That would be fun. We gotta go to the bridge. Ooh, look at that. Wow, look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. We'll be able to see it better with the bridge. Foot traffic only. Wow. Wow. That's so pretty. So there's a little dog park for your dogs to use the restroom and everything. And there's also a thing where you can catch fish. How cool is that? I think it's Yeah, it's open. This place is so nice. We come here like every year, and it's so cool. Good morning, gang. It is now Sunday, which is technically day 4. Here's my sleeping area in its full glory. I literally just woke up, so I'm super tired. And now it's time to clear the bed and make it back into a table. What does it feel?
Is what it felt like.
What does it feel like?
This feels like coral almost.
Oh, it does feel like
It's
coral.
Smooth.
Well, it's smooth here, but it's hard and sharp here.
Girl,
Oh yeah.
That's what
It's cool that all of this used to be water.
Yeah.
We're basically underwater.
Whoa. Life in the inland sea.
Oh, that's what those little black flies are, huh?
They're pre-brined.
Guys, look over here.
That's a lot of flies.
Whoa.
The brine shrimp you see today will not survive the coming winter. They,
Get that picture?
all of you guys.
it's marshy over here.
This is an avian gas station. This is where they stop when they're migrating.